Hey folks! Lisa had bought a customized eco fabric from Backdropsource, which comes with a cotton bag. She was so happy to unveil our polyester fabric, which is perfect choice of backdrop of business, parties, advertising, industries, indoor and outdoor events, promotional conventions. But she wanted to know how this one stood out from all others. She ought to use this one for multiple purposes. And one of the main thing is, it is a perfect alternative for vinyl, which is harmful and hazardous for the environment. Let her check this, and we will later get to know whether she was impressed with it or not. Oh, she tries to rip up the fabric, but unfortunately our fabric is thicker and she cannot rip the fabric, as it is 230 GSM and weaved via cotton and polyester blends. It makes it stronger for normal wear and tear. This fabric is stretchable and it has very good flexibility. It is lightweight and it is around 230 GSM and easily portable to wherever we want. Undoubtedly, our polyester fabric is crease and tear resistant. Wrinkles can be removed by using the steam iron or normal household ironing method. Printing of this fabric is an eco-solvent ink, which is fade resistant. They remain intact despite exposure to the UV rays. Over time, your printed large fabric backdrop will preserve its hue with colors from the darkest black to the brightest white, remaining vibrant and strong. High durable fabric with a lifespan of 2 to 3 years for indoor and outdoors. Lisa's happiness shows that she has embraced the comfort of the fabric. You can also buy your customized fabrics at the Backdropsource.